looking at this, again, firstly, I will look at the x-intercepts here, so which means that there is going to be a vertical asymptote over here. Okay, and this is a maximum point, which means that it will become a minimum point of, for this case, it is 1 over 7.08. So you got to use your calculator and find out 1 over 7.08 is roughly about 0.14. So it is going, the minimum point is going to be here. Okay, and same thing, this is 0.921, so if I take the reciprocal, I'm going to get 1 over 0.921, and that is going to be 1.085. That will be actually just above this point. You can label this 2 over root 3, 1.086, as well as this point that will be negative 2 over root 3, comma 0.1 divided by 7.08. 14. Okay, in fact, it should go a bit lower because it's about 0.141. Okay, now we can start sketching our graph proper. I look at this, the original graph is at negative infinity, so 1 over negative infinity means it's just going to start very close to 0 minus, and as the graph goes up, 1 over fx will go down. Okay. Now we look at this is at 0 plus, 1 over 0 plus means it's going to start from positive infinity. You know that there's a maximum point that is down here, sorry, minimum point that is down here, so I'm going to cut the minimum point. And now, because there's a y-intercept at 4, when I do the reciprocal, that will be 1 over 4. In fact, it should be more proportionate. So this turning point have to go even lower around here, so that when I cut my 1 over 4 can be quite proportionate to be over here, 1 over 4. From positive infinity, I will go down, and because once I pass here, you look at my graph will go down, means you are supposed to go up, and okay, you're supposed to curve up and hit here. Okay, so once I hit here, I will have to do a turning point at x equals to 2 over 3. So this graph should be sketched nicer. It's like a point of inflection over here. So where you like this way, it goes up this way, okay, and then it turns here. And as it goes up to infinity, it just means that the graph will tend towards y equals to 0 plus, tend towards 0 plus, and this is how we draw the 1 over fx curve. This part may be a little bit weird, so you got to emphasize a little bit more that it's a point of inflection. It's not the best. This way it turns and then goes up, okay, because 1/4 is supposed to be very, very small.